Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, numbers matching, 396, 350 horse, 4-speed, 12-bolt, Lemans blue Chevelle. And if you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. If you have any questions on these cars, just give us a call. But we are going to take a look at this 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, numbers matching, Lemans blue. What a beautiful car this is right here. My favorite part about this car is right there in the front. Those bumper guards are my favorite. Love bumper guards on a 69 Chevelle. Really, really looks good. What a beautiful car this is. And it is in my favorite color as well, Lemans blue. Love this color. Take a look at the passenger side of the interior first. All the interiors finished in excellent condition. 4-speed bench seat. It's got the tack in the dash. It's got a new model radio. Back seat looks great. All the carpet's in good shape. Headliner's in great shape. It's got all the seat belts. It's got the front lap belts, and everything like that. It really, really looks good. I'll show you the doors here. All the doors are in excellent condition. Really, really look good. Shut the door here. We'll take a look inside the trunk. It's also got the rear bumper guards. Inside the trunk, it's got the spare tire and the jack equipment. It does have a jack sleeve, which is pretty cool. You don't see a lot of those, but all inside the trunk is finished. Beautiful slider paint. Really looks good. It does have the original stamping still on the quarters on both sides, which is really, really nice. And really just looks good, sounds good. So shut the trunk here, and we're gonna start it up, see how it sounds. Really sounds good. Set it off here. Put it back in gear. But it really sounds good. Looks good. It's got, like I said, the tack in the dash. All works. Turn signals, everything works on the car. Dome light works. So, shut the door here. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Underneath the hood, like I said, it's powered by a 396, 350 horse, power steering, power disc brakes. And I will show you this too. This is the trim tag, and it is the right color for the car, Lemans blue. Lemans blue is the color, and it is the right color for the car. But absolutely gorgeous underneath the hood. 396, 350 horse. I'm gonna shut the hood here. And we'll take one more quick look at the 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, numbers matching, 396, Lemans blue Chevelle. And this is a beautiful car. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. We're going to take this Chevelle for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle True Super Sport, numbers matching, 396, 4-speed, 12-bolt for a test drive and see how it does. We've got the brake, emergency brake light working. Turn signals work. Got the tag working. Horn works. the radio works as well. Can't show you on YouTube due to copyright purposes, but if you'd like a video of the radio working, just let me know. I'll be glad to get that for you. But we're going to take this Chevelle for a test drive and see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky.
What is it? Well, it's a great day.
Perfect day to be driving classic cars. Not much better than a Chevelle with a 4-speed. We're going to see how this one does as soon as they let the floodgates close here. There we go. Here we go. Car runs and drives great, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running driving car. It's really, really nice. We're gonna turn around and head back here. Like I do every time, I'm gonna have Dad get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this Chevelle's made of. All right, here we go. Lots of power, shifts through all the gears the right way. What a great car. The only thing you'd have to do to this car is to get you a shelf for all your trophies that you're going to win at the car shows.
And maybe at the drag strip.
And maybe at the drag strip too. But we are almost back here. And like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle. And we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath. And here's the underneath.